Welcome back into the workshop. As promised, well, hang on, as I have broken my promise, I actually said I probably wouldn't make this video because until I figured out what I've got to figure out. But I got one of these standoffs, the no wriggle standoffs, and I put a pin in it, and I measured the hole down there, the hole down there, and now the hole there, to the edge of the rail, because I can't reach any further, and it's to within a couple of 1/100ths of a millimetre. So it is not the alignment of this, the pins themselves. It would be nice to have the measurement out a bit further, but I can't, so I can't. But yeah, that is super strange. If all the variables are considered, which is the one I haven't considered at all. The rail. I'm not going to repeat myself for those that haven't seen the previous video. I have made a parallel arm, and I've made several of them, and for the most part they work pretty good. But I'm trying to chase down an error that seems to be reoccurring, and this is completely new. The arms. Okay, so if you haven't seen this before, this is a parallel arm that can be pinned to the top, and then you can articulate the arms out, and the rails move in and out parallel to everything, to the holes, and to the track saw, etc. With the idea that as you move it, it stays parallel. It doesn't alter, because it wouldn't be a parallel arm then. It would be just arms that are flailing about. So I made this version brand new. Nothing, the arms, these are what I call the arms, and these are the rails. They were very accurately, as far as I'm concerned, created using this bar. It's got the positions in it for the guides, the drill guides, and I did them so, I marked them and drilled them so that the bar was used there, just went straight across to do this one. Therefore, the measurements have to be the same. Did the same for the arms. So they've got to be parallel. And that proves itself to be true by when I put it in this position. I'll pull that out. When I put it in this position, let's put the pins back in. And there, and then there. It's fairly tight. Hang on. Hope it's not too loud in the mic. They have to be down below. So if the holes this set of holes at least, and the three that I tested, were within a few 1/100ths of a millimetre, if the mark that I've got, the mark that I've got for these two were exactly the same, because it used the same guide in the same position, etc. Ditto for this. Where's the variable that's making the issue? 2 mil spacing there, virtually none here. In fact, that'll even look better than it did before, strangely enough. But yeah, where's the difference? Where's the variable that I'm not even considering? Strange, very strange. It either is parallel, it is currently, then as we articulate it round, it's obviously it's something that I'm not even conscious of. That makes it. See, I wouldn't complain too much about that. Honestly, like even with my idea, but yeah, it's out there, but not there. Nah, too weird. I do not understand that. I'm going to have to measure the holes, the bore distance from the edge. It's a whole... Okay. There's too many long pauses in this one, isn't there? But nonetheless, it was interesting to note that at least the holes that I tested were within hundredths of a millimetre, according to my digital calipers. So that's kind of pleasing. This issue isn't. It's not like I can pack it out this end here, or yeah, I can't pack it out this end here to make it parallel, because currently it's not parallel. So what's holding it out? It's not like it's seizing on anything and not going, not... No, I'm going to have to think about that, because it doesn't make sense, and it doesn't make sense that it's the same end that's out. So, right. There must be a gravitational anomaly around this side of the garage and not over there. Oh, I don't know. It's something weird like that. Rightio, that's it. Puzzled Dave is going away, and don't think there's going to be much resolve coming quickly for this one, unfortunately. Don't even have an inkling of what's causing it. Oh well, okay. See you later. Bye now.